and I am the developer of the Handmaster Plus. I'm often asked what I think is the best way to treat cumulative trauma disorders, and especially carpal tunnel syndrome and tennis elbow. Those are the two main ones we see and two of the most debilitating. And when a cumulative trauma disorder is acute and it is symptomatic, my answer is always the same. You have to visit a professional, a healthcare professional, to determine exactly the cause of it, because most of the times after there's been a lot of scarring, a lot of injury and repair processes, and what has to be done is that a skilled practitioner has to examine you and analyze the problem and then go ahead with treatment. The two techniques that I recommend, especially when it comes to hand, wrist, form, and elbow problems, are I recommend that you search for a practitioner in either active release technique, which is you can find somebody at activerelease.com, or I recommend that you find somebody that is skilled in the Graston technique, and you can find them at grastontechnique.com. And what they will do is they will analyze where there is adhesions, where there is pathologic soft tissue conditions, and they're able to break those down and stimulate your body's natural healing. This is the best way to get a soft tissue problem like carpal tunnel syndrome or tennis elbow analyzed and corrected. Now, at some point, that's the first stage, but at some point you have to rebalance the tissues as well. An active release practitioner and a Graston technique practitioner will give you exercises, both stretching and strengthening exercises, and an exercise that you're going to see a lot is with the Handmaster Plus that we developed. Okay, to do strengthening exercises, they would simply get a Handmaster Plus. Keep the wrist straight, squeeze against the ball for a count of one, open and spread for a count of one. Squeeze for a count of one, open and spread for a count of one. So now this exercise is very simple to remember, and it'll strengthen all the muscles that close the hand as well as the muscles that open and spread the hand, so it keeps the carpal tunnel nice and wide, keeps all the tissues healthy and balanced. Okay, that's for carpal tunnel. For tennis elbow, again, same thing. Get the adhesions diagnosed, get them broken down, start the healing repair, get stability to the joint. When strengthening and stretching exercises are okay, the strengthening exercise we recommend was that same first one that we showed you for carpal tunnel syndrome, but also we add a second one for tennis elbow, and that's very simply to keep the wrist straight again. You squeeze against the ball. This time I'm going to keep the thumb on the ball. I'm going to extend just the fingers to strengthen the finger extensor muscles.